The rectangle tool in Figma is a versatile essential for designing buttons, wireframes, and UI foundations. This guide covers everything from basics to styling and smart tips for mastering it. Where to find the rectangle tool? Toolbar access. Click the rectangle icon, a square shape, from the toolbar keyboard. Shortcut. Simply press R on your keyboard to activate the rectangle tool instantly. Drawing a rectangle. Once you've selected the tool, here's how to draw. Click. Plus. Drag. Click anywhere on the canvas and drag to create a rectangle of any size. Hold. Shift want to draw a perfect square? Hold down the Shift key while dragging. Numerical precision. After drawing, you can adjust width W and height H in the Properties panel on the right. Change fill color. Go to the right-hand panel under Fill. Click the color swatch to pick a new color or paste a hex code. Positioning, set X and Y values to position your rectangle precisely on the canvas. 4. Styling rectangles. The rectangle tool allows for advanced styling. Border, radius. Use the corner radius input to round corners. Click the independent corners icon to set different radii per corner. Stroke and effects. Add strokes, shadows, or blur effects from the stroke and effects sections.